let's understand a little bit further about how we normally deal with stress. What do you do for your stress management normally? Or what do you think, I'm not even asking about you, what do you think your friends do, let's say that, for stress management? This is the commonest way of stress management. मैं तो stress लेता ही नहीं हूँ. So many people who come for counseling or stress management workshops say मैं तो stress लेता ही नहीं हूँ, as he rightly said, कुछ और लेता हूँ. So generally people are in denial about stress. They feel that I am not stressed. Every one of my colleagues is stressed, but I am not. So denial is the commonest mechanism that we deal or that we use in dealing with stress. What are the other mechanisms? Typical distractions. Can you tell me 2 or 3? All the things that we do to handle stress. Eating, so common. We love to eat when we are stressed. One reason for it is because obviously body needs more sugar. I just told you that. So when you get more sugar in the system, you feel better. Another thing is that eating creates one of the happy chemicals called serotonin in your body. So you feel good in stress. It makes you happy temporarily. So you eat and go run away from your weighing scale. Now weighing scale becomes a new stress for you. Second thing. So your friends who go on vacations do this on weekends. They binge watch. मैंने आज पूरे 10 एपिसोड सीरियल का एक सीजन रात में खत्म कर दिया. That's the easiest thing people do. So again, because when you watch certain screen for a longer time, it creates certain brain pattern or brain wave pattern. And that brain wave pattern makes you feel as if you're relaxed. Makes you feel. So we are going to discuss these brain wave patterns also in our coming lectures. So this brain wave patterns make you feel relaxed, plus there is another hormone called endorphin which is secreted when you watch TV or laptop excessively that makes you feel temporarily better. Third thing, very, very common. Drugs, alcohol, smoking, very common. Now these substances mimic some substances which are already present in your brain, which are called as neurotransmitters. And that's why you start developing dependency on them. So people say मैं alcohol high के लिए नहीं पीता हूँ, normal feel करने के लिए पीता हूँ. That means now they are dependent on the alcohol. Just to feel normal, they need few pegs now. So they boast about it, but it actually means dependency on alcohol. So drugs, any substance that causes addiction is mimicking your neurotransmitters. And now you are hooked onto it to feel relaxed. The fourth and the nice one is shopping. People tend to shop a lot, and with online shopping, it has become ever easy than ever. So online shopping gives you a kind of rewarding effect. You get to touch new things, you get to feel new things, and if you don't like it, you can return it. It's so simple. So people tend to do a lot of shopping because of stress, and that also because it creates a rewarding effect due to a chemical called dopamine in your body. You tend to do it more and more. These are the 4 commonest things how people deal with their stresses. Now the problem is that I told you that we have a conscious mind and we have a subconscious mind. All these distractions and denials only work on your conscious mind, and they fool you to think that, oh, I'm relaxed. On the weekend I watched television so much that I didn't even think about my office. Well, sure, you didn't think about your office, but this stress mechanism was always active in your subconscious mind. That means your BP was still high, your pulse rate was still high, and your muscles were still tight.